I'm going to show you 4 different ways of slowing down a video clip inside of Premiere Pro. I make weekly Premiere Pro and filmmaking tutorials, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on those future videos. To get started, I'm going to select a portion of my video clip and put it on the timeline. And then I'm simply just going to drag the footage over to my timeline. Now the timeline that I have here right now is 24 frames per second, and this video clip is 60 frames per second. So I'm just going to click on keep existing settings. The first way of slowing down a clip is to simply right click on the video clip in the timeline and select speed and duration. And then you will get this speed clip duration box, and right now the speed is 100%. So let's say I want to select this and make it 50%, so half the speed, and then I can click OK. And now we can see that we have slowed this clip down to half its speed. But there's another way as well, so I'm going to undo this. And the next thing I'm going to show you is the rate stretch tool. So on the third tool here in the list, you will find the rate stretch tool, and if you can't see it, just hover over it and click, and you will see that we have the rate stretch tool right here. Or you can also click R on your keyboard. And to make this clip slow down, we can then just go to the end of the clip right here and drag this however you want. And this will also slow down the clip. The third method of slowing down video clips is to select the video clip, and we are going to make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm also going to right click on the video clip and select show clip keyframes. And I'm going to click time remapping and then speed. And then we can just drag this line up or down to slow down or make our clip faster. So let's slow it down to 66%, and you will see that the clip went a little bit longer and it's now 66% slower. The next way of slowing down clips is to right click on your clip in your bin right here, and then we're going to go to modify, interpret footage, and then we will get this modify clip box popping off. The one thing we're going to change here is the assume frame rate. So I'm going to click assume frame rate, and I'm going to make this a 24 FPS clip. So I'm taking it down from 60 FPS right here to 24 FPS, and that is the same FPS as our timeline. And then I'm going to click OK, and then we will also get this slow motion effect in our video clip. Click on this video on the screen right now to learn even more about Premiere Pro, and if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.